What's up, guys? This is my bike check. This is a Grenade Stealth that I bought off the house for $270. Pretty good bike. Lasted me a while. Had it for like almost a year. Alright, let's start with the top. Alright. Stolen Vortex Barnes Odyssey Chase Hawk grips that are already wearing down. I've had them for like a month, but yeah. Stock bars, stolen convict stem, flipped upside down. Stock frame, stock forks, Duo SBS white wall tires, 2.25, Verdi, stock Verdi hub, front hub, and stock front rim. Stolen cold forge chromoly front peg that I just got today. Obviously twisted pedals, black, Haro, or stock Haro cranks, bone death, vibrator pivotal seat, slim, premium stump seat post, the Odyssey Mr. Clampy. I got a mechanic half link chain, silver, stock sprocket, another Duo SBS white wall tire 2.25, stock kink rim with a mission hub, and Shadow Conspiracy little one peg in the back. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, man. Alright, let's do it like this. Yes. There we go. Whoa! Looks crazy. That looks crazy. That looks good. I like that. Oh yeah. that took a long time.